Hello and welcome to 9369 Greenbelt Place in Rancho Cucamonga, California. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, stunning updated home with a huge loft, walk-in closet in the master bedroom, and a little bonus room off the master suite. Enjoy! If you like what you see, come take a tour today. Go to management1.com to schedule or to submit an application. See you soon.